I've been running a faceless YouTube channel for over 2 years, getting millions of views, until I realized that I've been doing it all wrong. There's a way to achieve these results in just a few months. Let me explain. So the channel I'm talking about is called Zio, where I make short and long-form videos about Marvel movies. In this video, I'll focus on the short-form content, how you can get similar views as quickly as possible, and show you the exact method I use to make them go viral. Treat your channel as a brand. Decide what fonts and colors you'll use, and keep them consistent throughout your channel. To get started, you're going to need a logo and a banner. You can make them in any photo editor you want, or if you're not a good designer, you can make one using Midjourney, like I did. If you're posting randomly without choosing a clear topic, sorry, but you can't succeed on this platform. So pick a niche you want. Make sure there's people out there who want to watch content from that niche. You can ask ChatGPT to give you a list of the most popular niches on YouTube, or go to Wikipedia, search for list of hobbies, and pick one that you're interested in. Then jump straight into step 3. You need to analyze other big channels in your niche and see which type of content is doing well recently. I did the same when I started out my channel and saw facts about movies doing pretty well in my niche. You probably saw at least one video like this.
Did you know in Avengers Endgame?
Do you know that in Spider-Man?
Did you know in Thor Love and Thunder?
So I found a bunch of interesting facts and explained them as simply as I could in my videos. One thing I strongly recommend is don't overthink it. Spend as little time as you can on making each video, especially when you're first starting out. You're going to have a lot of time to improve your content. But when you're in the beginning, just publish your first video as soon as you can. Get comfortable making that style of content. Then choose one side of the video to improve next time. For example, focus on making better transitions in the next 5 videos, then better subtitles, better coloring, better sound effects, and so on. It will definitely increase your video quality instead of trying to make everything perfect. Back to the channel. After publishing consistently for about 3 weeks, I made my first viral video. After publishing around 10 shorts or so, you need to go back and analyze data. See which videos are doing well and which doesn't. This step may be a bit boring for some of you, but it's definitely the most crucial one, so don't skip that. And the only important metrics you should check for YouTube Shorts are view count, retention, and swipe rate. But more importantly, just rewatch your most viewed videos and try to understand what makes them different from the rest. Write them down in a viral recipe list, and you can either try to tick as many boxes as you can in your next shorts, or choose a few for each video and implement them one by one. I made that list for my viral short and saw the subtitles were shorter, the scene was changing faster, and I made a joke at the end that wasn't funny. Anyways, I used this list for my next videos, and I got 2 more viral shorts at the end of that month. So in December 2022, I finally got monetized. What worked in the past may no longer work today. After replicating the same formula for the next month, I realized the formula is not working anymore. Even though it was monetized, the channel's ad revenue was less than $20 a month. Obviously, things weren't looking good. Even though I used the same techniques, the views were getting lower in each video. If you came across that hitch on your channel too, it's the sign showing the golden formula is broken or needs a revision. You need to repeat step 3 and 4 and add new points to your viral recipe list. And when I did it again, this time I saw better performing videos had a sound effect in the beginning like this. Some type of graphic that takes attention, and most of them didn't have a voiceover. They were just cool edits of recent movies. Even though I was a bit suspicious, since it was easier to make this type of content, I made more of them, and they did really well. The channel was getting more and more traction every day. The ad revenue went from $20 to over $150 that month. Everything was great. I was sure it would easily turn into thousands of dollars in a few months, until one day I got an email from YouTube. It said, "Some of your videos have been taken down. Due to a copyright notice, we had to take down the following 3 videos from YouTube." So basically, my 3 edits about the movie Spider-Verse has been taken down by Sony, and my channel got a copyright strike. But that's not the worst part. A few hours after that, my channel got demonetized because of reused content. It turns out my edits weren't edited enough to meet the fair use. It was just the worst thing that could ever happen after the channel was starting to take off. But that didn't stop me from posting. I now went back to adding voiceovers to my videos, repeated step 3 and 4 again to make my formula even better, and will reapply the YouTube Partner Program in a few weeks. So if there's one principle you need to use on your channel after this video, it's determination. No matter how challenging it is, just learn from each experience and try to improve, find solutions, and don't lose your motivation.